Happy Manufacturing Day. I'd just like to take a moment to mention how proud I am of our team and their commitment to building high quality products while continuously adopting new technologies to do so. You know, we have the saying around here, build it like it's yours. Lately, we've shifted to a new style of production. And the funny thing is, we're more productive than ever because of it. And that's a testament to the pride and commitment that our team members have in building great products. Our team has put together some exciting examples of what they do day in and day out. You'll just notice the passion they have in this video, and it'll be obvious that we have something special here. So be sure to stick around and continue watching this, and happy Manufacturing Day. Thank you for watching. Now let's get building.